CoastLife, close your eyes and imagine you're sitting at home, the weather's getting colder, you're in your pajamas, you have your pumpkin spice or apple cider, whatever you prefer, and you're sitting by the fireplace. We're right here in Rehoboth at Schagrin Home Comfort Products, and I'm meeting with the Senior Comfort Home Advisor. I'm here with Marc Frey. How are you doing today, Marc?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Of course, thank you for having me. So
Absolutely.
I know you guys have an upcoming fall open house. I'm really excited for this. Tell me what people can expect. What's it all about?
Yeah, I mean, those temperatures are finally dropping, and it's time for our fall open house here on October 11th. It's a Saturday from 9 to 3. We'll have some cooking going on outside, fireplace reps, barbecue grill reps coming. So we're looking forward to the event.
Yes, it sounds like it's going to be a great time. So, I mean, tell us what people can expect. I mean, I see we're sitting by a fireplace right now in CoastLife.
Yeah, fireplace season's here. So
Yeah.
everybody's probably trying to kick on their fireplace with these cool temperatures. If you're in the market for a fireplace, come on down to our showroom here in Rehoboth. We'll be more than happy to help you out. We'll have some reps here on that October 11th to help us help homeowners walk through what they can do at the house, as well as Cedar and myself here in Rehoboth, our sales representatives.
Yeah, so I mean, they're here to help CoastLife. Now is the perfect time more than any to come out and get your fireplace. Obviously, you don't want to wait for the first really cold day to get your fireplace. You want to make sure you hop on it and get all of that situated prior. So how long does it take once somebody picks out their fireplace versus once it's like installed in their house and ready to go?
It does take, it depends on the scope of work of the project. So some of the projects are out 6 to 8 weeks right now, but some are actually 3 to 4 weeks as well.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's not a bad turnover right now. So it's literally the perfect time to start right now. So that way in a few weeks, once it's really, really cold, you guys are all set up and prepared. But Marc, I mean, I'm seeing all of these amazing fireplaces and grills. So do you want to walk me around the store for a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. There's new technology coming out every day.
Perfect. Let's see. Oh, CoastLife, it's getting a little toasty right here. I'm definitely heating up right here next to Marc. I mean, Marc, this is a beautiful fireplace that we're standing next to.
Yes, this is a new one from Cozy Heat. It's their Nordic line. It's a linear fireplace, but it does have gas logs in there. So it's not totally a contemporary look.
Gotcha.
But they have, what's unique about this product is the burners are raised, right, to get a higher flame level out there, to give you a little bit more aesthetic. So we're loving how it turned out here in the showroom and looking to get some out there in some homeowners' homes. And
then, like I said, there is an open house coming up. I want to talk a little bit more about that. Can you tell me, are there any special day of deals that are going on?
Yes, we're going to have some grills. Our end of the year grill sale is also going to be going on.
Let's check out some of these grills now that you bring it up. Because, I mean, I'm looking at these. These are nice grills, CoastLife, that they have to offer here.
Yeah, so our Napoleon grills, we're going to be taking $200 off all our floor models. And a Napoleon grill is basically my 10 to 15 year grill, right? So you should have these grills for about 10 to 15 years. They have good warranties on them, but they're made to last in our weather environment.
Yeah. That's awesome. I mean, yeah, 10 to 15 years, that's a good life for a grill, if you ask me.
Absolutely. It's not your, every 3-year grill throwaway.
Yeah. These are great grills. So can you tell me a little bit more about this open house event? Obviously, they have deals on these grills that they're giving. Yep. And then I also know Steve Mons is going to be at this event, too. That's a familiar face, CoastLife.
Yep. We're going to have Steve here. We're going to have a Napoleon rep here cooking on a Napoleon grill.
Nice.
Our XO rep is going to be also outside in the parking lot cooking on his pizza oven. So.
Awesome.
And that's one thing that we also sell here at Schagrin is the pizza ovens. It's very interesting to be able to cook a pizza in 90 seconds. That quick. So, yeah.
90 seconds, CoastLife. That is super impressive. I didn't know that.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
So whether you're in the market for a indoor fireplace or looking to expand your outdoor living area, come on down and see us October 11th at our open house.
Yes. Perfect. Thank you. So yeah, CoastLife, definitely. You heard Marc here first. Come down here to the Rehoboth location. Check out their fall open house. It is the perfect time to get your new fireplace or a grill if you're shopping early for the holidays. That's a great gift for Dad. But don't go anywhere because there's more CoastLife on the way.